I pinch myself every day because I am so dang grateful for this skill set, and I cannot believe that I know how to open up my phone and make money from the stock market with ease. I know that learning options is not easy. I know that the learning curve is so steep. But once you find and master the strategy or strategies that work for you, you won't want to stop. So keep going. Please keep going. So this video is just an average Monday. Listen, Linda, I am just an average normal day trader. I'm not out here making Lamborghini money. I'm making lunch money. I'm not out here taking Lamborghini position sizes. I'm taking lunch money position sizes. I'm in no rush, and I don't force myself into any trade on any day. I don't know when you're watching this, but for context, SPX is currently trading at 6,000. And the current environment that we're in, the market keeps making new all-time highs every day. And honestly, it's my least favorite time to day trade. But rather than just skip every new all-time high day, I just reduce my position size and try and be done within the first hour or hour and a half. One of the core strategies in my trading plan every day is the opening range breakout, and I have a 90% year-to-date win rate. It is December, so a little pat on the back for me. So anyways, here is how I traded on this Monday, and also how I shared the trades in our community, because I am just thinking that, I not only do I share my live entries and exits, I am on most days able to share the trade before I even enter it. I mean, the strikes, the price, and even the order to copy and paste before the trade even triggers. And I'm not sure that a lot of traders who trade on this time frame can do that. I mean, as you know or don't know, 0 DTE is like the super fast lane of day trading, and timing is critical. So anyways, thank you for watching. If you want the short form version of daily trade recaps, find me on Instagram. Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, December 1st, back after the holiday weekend, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to set up this conditional order for my trade. It is almost 8 a.m. Eastern. So this is what the market looks like so far on a 15-minute time frame. My plan today was to trade whatever the 10:30 Eastern suggested vertical was. Okay, but it was a call credit spread. And I abandoned that trade for two reasons. One, we opened with the doji candle. And in my experience, a doji candle will have both the high and the low broken. As you can see, the low's already broken, so I expect the high to be broken. If I think that the market's going up, I'm not going to sell a call credit spread. Also, if this level breaks, I'm entering a PCS and I'm getting bullish. So anyways, I abandoned the trade. I'm also just sort of, I have a placeholder sort of trade here watching to see if in fact it does get stopped out. The trade alerted for 95 cents. It's still at break even. I'm just watching to see if it does get stopped out. Anyways, that's not why I was recording this. So I was recording this to say that I'm going to step away for a minute, but I want to still enter a put credit spread if my trigger triggers, which is a break of the high a day. By the way, this is not just high of day. This is all-time high. New all-time highs. We keep making new all-time highs. I hate trading at all-time highs, by the way. So I want to take a PCS if this trade triggers. This is how I'm going to set it up. First of all, I have to take a guess at what strikes I think I'm going to want to sell if if this level triggers. So I definitely want to be outside of the opening range. So somewhere 6035 or below. I'm going to set up my conditional order for PCS if the high breaks. So I'm going to start at 6035. I'm going to go ahead and choose that strike. The expected move is so low today and the tempo is so slow today. We've only moved 10 points basically in the first 90 minutes. All right. That was a lot of talking. So I'm going to have my position size. Here's my order entry. And just double check the strikes, the PCS, the high of day is 6047.38. So I'm going to come over here and going to put in my rule. So I'm just telling TOS, do not send this until SPX breaks 6047.38. And if it breaks 6047.38, send this order for that PCS. Okay, something's wigging out with ThinkorSwim. Send that order for the PCS for whatever the mark price is plus 5 cents. That should get me a decent fill. So, does that make sense? I want to be entered into this PCS only if high of day breaks. And for what price? For whatever the mark price is plus 5 cents. All right, I'm going to let this order work. And I'm also just going to record whether or not that was a good decision that I skipped the CCS that the Magic 8 Ball called for at 10:30. If this reaches 45 cents, 40 cents, then I know that the trade won and I skipped it. But when we're, especially on days that we make new all-time highs, I am not trying to be aggressive and sell. I mean, I really don't want to go long at all-time highs either. So anyways, I'll be back if and when this order triggers, and I'll show you how I put in my closing order for my profit target. What the market looked like, it just triggered not just high of day, but new all-time high. So this is my opening range breakout trigger to enter a PCS for a continued move to the upside. My conditional order triggered for 70 cents. So that means that the mark was at 65 cents, and now I'm waiting for 5 cents above that to fill. The tempo has been so slow today. I'm honestly not sure if 70 cents will fill. We're going to need at least 3 points pullback. Maybe we'll get it. So I'm just going to let this work at 70 cents. And if it fills, I will set up my buy to close order for 35 cents. That's a 35-cent net gain. All right, friends, I forgot where I left off. I got distracted and the tempo's so slow today. So high of day did break. My order triggered for 70 cents and it filled. Okay, so now I have my working buy to close order for my profit target. 70 cents minus $35. Profit target, 35 net gain. This is what the mark is at now. This was just that placeholder Magic 8 Ball I was watching. So it didn't really get threatened either. And it's also still at break even despite being a CCS. It's just the expected move is so slow today. The tempo is so slow. I'll probably say that 100 times. I put on just some random, sorry, this wasn't random, but a very small iron fly because I just thought we were going to sit around 45 for a while. I don't even know what this was. 1030 minus. So hopefully my
profit target on the orb fills, and if it does, I think I'll just be done for the day. Yeah.
All right, so this is the market hitting a new all-time high, and my order is just stuck. The mark kept touching my fill price, but not filling. And on a day like this, which is a very low volume day, 5 cents can take 30 minutes to fill. So I'm just telling everybody that I am replacing my order with 40 cents. And if it fills, I'm locking in profits. I know this is not an exciting P&L, but I'm just being so for real. Like, some days be like this. And what I hope you take away is what you don't see me doing, which is sweating bullets over every candle and adding to and averaging in and hedging this and hedging that. I just want to say that making money using options does not have to be complicated. It can be one order to enter, one order to exit, and in less than an hour. And for that, I am so grateful. There are definitely days, okay, where I trade other more complicated, sometimes more risky strategies. It's hard not to when you're in a community of very smart technical traders. But for the most part, I'm fine just being the turtle in the rabbit race. You know what I mean? Thank you so much. Goodbye.